Telehealth platforms like Teladoc have reshaped how healthcare is delivered. What started as virtual consultations has evolved into full-scale digital care ecosystems. The global telehealth market has already crossed $300 billion and continues to grow as hospitals expand virtual care, insurers support remote services, and patients expect care to be available on demand. What this means is simple. In 2026, building a telehealth app like Teladoc is about building core care infrastructure. If you are planning to develop a telehealth app like Teladoc and want to understand the cost involved, this video will break it down clearly. Let us begin with why platforms like Teladoc are worth investing in. They expand access to care without geographic limits. They reduce hospital load and improve clinician efficiency. They enable continuous care through follow-ups, prescriptions, and remote monitoring. Now let us understand what makes a Teladoc-style platform complex. Teladoc is not just a video calling app. It combines virtual consultations, multi-specialty care, clinical documentation, prescriptions, billing, analytics, and deep healthcare integrations into a single system. That scope directly influences development cost. Let us walk through the development components that shape pricing. The first factor is platform scope. Will the app support on-demand visits, scheduled appointments, or both? Will it cover general care or multiple specialties like mental health, dermatology, and chronic care? Will it serve patients only or also doctors, nurses, and care coordinators? Each choice increases workflow complexity and cost. The next factor is core features. A Teladoc-type app typically includes secure video consultations, chat, appointment scheduling, patient profiles, clinician profiles, digital prescriptions, clinical notes, payments, insurance handling, and notifications. Advanced platforms also include symptom triage, care routing, follow-ups, remote monitoring integrations, and analytics dashboards. Then comes UI and UX design. Telehealth apps must be intuitive for patients and efficient for clinicians. Design work covers patient apps, clinician dashboards, and admin panels, all optimized for speed and clarity. After design comes development. Back-end development handles authentication, video infrastructure, data storage, workflows, billing logic, and integrations. Front-end development covers iOS and Android apps, web dashboards, and portals. If AI features such as triage, visit summarization, or care recommendations are included, development effort increases further. Integration is another major cost driver. Enterprise telehealth apps require EHR integration using FHIR or HL7 standards. They may also integrate with pharmacies, labs, insurance systems, and remote monitoring devices. Testing and compliance follow. Telehealth apps must be tested for video stability, security, performance, HIPAA compliance, data accuracy, and real-world usability with clinicians and patients. This phase is critical and often underestimated. Now let us talk numbers. Basic telehealth apps with video visits, chat, and scheduling typically cost between $80,000 and $150,000. More advanced multi-specialty platforms with EHR integration, prescriptions, payments, and analytics usually range from $150,000 to $350,000. Enterprise-grade platforms like Teladoc, with AI modules, large provider networks, deep integrations, and scalable infrastructure, can cost $400,000 to $800,000 or more, depending on scope. Final cost depends on feature depth, integrations, compliance requirements, scalability needs, and the experience and location of the development team. Working with specialized healthcare development teams outside high-cost regions can significantly reduce overall spend. Now let us briefly cover monetization. Telehealth platforms typically generate revenue through per-visit fees, subscription plans, enterprise hospital contracts, employer partnerships, insurance reimbursement, and premium specialty services. A Teladoc-style platform succeeds because it combines accessibility, clinical rigor, and operational efficiency into one system. If you are planning to build a telehealth app like Teladoc and need expert guidance, Intellivon can help. Our team has over 10 years of experience building telehealth platforms, hospital systems, AI-driven healthcare software, and enterprise digital health solutions. If you're ready to move forward, connect with us and let us discuss your telehealth app requirements. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.